Module 5, The High Middle Ages. We will begin our look at the High Middle Ages by examining the agricultural practices that arose at that time and the role that peasants and aristocrats played in the civilization of the High Middle Ages. We will also look at the new world of trade and cities, examining the developments that contributed to the revival of trade during the High Middle Ages and the areas that were the primary beneficiaries of the revival. In addition, we'll want to look at the major features of medieval cities. We will then move on to an examination of the intellectual and artistic world of the High Middle Ages, focusing on the major intellectual and cultural achievements of European civilization at this time. We will then turn our attention to the secular political authorities by looking at the emergence and growth of European kingdoms. What steps did the rulers of England and France take during the High Middle Ages to reverse the decentralizing tendencies of fiefholding? Also, what were the major political and religious developments in Spain, the Holy Roman Empire, and Northern and Eastern Europe during the High Middle Ages? From the secular authorities, we will then turn our attention to the recovery and reform of the Catholic Church in the High Middle Ages, with special attention to the characteristics of the papal monarchy and the new religious orders, the role women played in the religious life of the period, and the Church's attitude towards heretics and Jews. Finally, we will conclude with the Crusades, examining the reasons for the Crusades and who benefited most from the Crusades.